Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over PDF pages. So there are three types of pages within a PDF generator template. You have the PDF page, you have the documents page, and of course you have the list, which is a PDF, which is a documents, PDF documents list. All right, which is pretty much just a list of documents pages. So the PDF page, it gets its name because it is generated from an actual PDF document. So if we were to, let's say, add another document and we were to select files, I'm just going to go ahead and pick a random PDF document. You can add as many as you want, but let's go ahead and add this one document. As you can see here, we have another document and it's a PDF page. And the reason why it's a PDF page is because it was generated from a PDF document. If we wanted to overlay data on this, all we need to do is just drag and drop. So with PDF pages, the way it works is similar to a canvas. Wherever you drop is where the dropping pretty much happens, right? You can pretty much drag and drop just about anything in your document. So this is perfect, and everything, of course, as you would expect in the Inhouz Cloud app builder is, editable. You have the full power, it can be obviously dynamic. We can have events, of course, not relevant when it comes to PDF generation because it's happening remotely. So it's here, but there's really no real use case. But as you can see here, a PDF page is a page that is generated from a PDF document. Whenever you upload a PDF document, it's pretty much uploaded as a PDF page, and you can edit a PDF page by simply dragging and dropping elements on this page. All right, in the next video, we're going to go over the other page types. See you in the next one.